Good morning, student. Today, let us see 10th standard social science geography lesson resource and industries. First of all, learning objective to learn about the resource and its types. Next one is to understand the concept of renewable and non-renewable resource. Third one is to identify types of distribution in industries in India. Then last one is to analyze the problems of Indian industries. Next, just for introduction, what is resource? Any matter or energy derived from the environmental or nature, that is equal, is used by living things including human is called natural resource. That example is air, water, soil, plants, wildlife, minerals, etc. These resources used are raw materials include. Natural resource classified two types. First one is renewable resource. What is mean by renewable resource? Renewable resource means again and again reproduced after our use, utilization or use. Example, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, etc. The next one is non-renewable resource. This resource cannot be reproduced again and again your utilization. That is example, coal, petrol, natural gas, etc. Next introduction is minerals. Natural substance of organs or inorgan with definite chemical and physical property are called minerals. Once again, natural substance of organ or inorgan origin with defined chemical and physical properties. Next, mining. Mining means nothing but process of extracting mineral from the earth is known as mining. Mining is two types. One is open pit mines. This is near the earth crust excavated. Second one is soft mines. That is while the deep mines. Next, types of minerals. Types of minerals based the chemical and physical properties. Minerals are broadly grouped under two categories. First one is metallic mineral, second one is non-metallic mineral. Metallic minerals contain one or more metal elements in them, that is metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals cannot metallic elements in these minerals. Metallic minerals example, manganese, copper, iron, bauxite, nickel, lead, gold, etc. Non-metallic minerals example, mica, limestone, gypsum, nitrate, potash, dolomite, coal, petroleum, etc. Mineral metallics, iron ore. The composites of many rocks and minerals, especially from igneous rocks. Iron ore are composites in broad in the Jharkhand place. Jharkhand is 25% of productions. Odisha 21% production, second place. Tamil Nadu, Salem, Namakkal, Trichy, iron ore place. Next one is metallic minerals. Second example, manganese. Manganese is silver grey element. Second point is very important. Please note down this point. Very hard and brittly in nature. Brittly means broken, easy to broken. This combination is iron, laterite and other materials. This manganese used for making iron and steel alloying. Producing areas, Odisha, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Next, bauxite. Important ore from with aluminum is extracted. Once again, important ore from which aluminum is extracted. Found in the rock consists mainly hydrate aluminum oxide. This is lightweight and tough. used manufacturing aircraft, automobile engines. Also used manufacturing in cement and chemicals. Producing area Orissa, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Goa and Andhra Pradesh. Next one is copper. The first metal, the prehistoric periods man used this metal. It is flexible, so many places this use example electrical goods are used this metals. This is our cooking vessels, electrical wires, cables, etc. Producing areas Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Next one is bauxite. This is metallic lost example. Important ore from which aluminum is extracted. Found in rock consists mainly of hydrate aluminum oxides. This is light and tough. Used automobile engines. Also used manufacturing cement and chemicals. This producing area Jharkhand, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Chhattisgarh. Next types of minerals, non-metallic minerals. Mica. Mica is ancient period. This use Ayurvedic medicine. Very popular. Then Abrak, good quality mica. Non-conductor of electricity. So it used electrical tools. Major deposit area Jharkhand, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Orissa, Chhattisgarh. Non-metallic second example gypsum. This is composition hydrate sulfate of calcium. This used cement, fertilizers, wallboard, plaster of Paris. This is medical use. So is soil conditions. Producing area Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh. Next one is energy resource. What is mean by energy resource? Electricity energy are converted in resource or energy resource. Electricity is important in our life, used for economic activities, industrial development, etc. Renewable resource are water, sun, light, wind, biogas, tidal, etc. Non-renewable resource are coal, petroleum, natural gas and nuclear minerals, etc. First one is coal. Coal is an inflammable. This is composition hydrocarbon mainly composed. There are thermal power plant is used this coal. Black coal is coal's name. Types of coals. First one is anthracite, 80 to 90%. This based types carbon based. Second one very important, please note this. Bituminous 60 to 80% is carbon. Lignite 40 to 60%. Pit less than 40%. It can be converted into gas, electrical, thermal power and oil. Coal associated Gondwana spacious rocks in peninsula. Production area Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh 90%, about 2% India coals in Assam and Jammu and Kashmir. Petroleum, next example, petroleum or crude oil. Petroleum, two Latin word, petro is rock, oleum is oil. This is Latin word. Oil obtained rock from the earth is called mineral oil. It is inflammable. Inflammable liquid is composed carbon 90 to 95%. Organic compounds contain oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and traces of organ metallic compounds. Petroleum uses automobiles, aeroplanes, ships, locomotives. Byproducts tax, wax, soap, lubricant, kerosene, Vaseline, Tylene. This is petroleum byproducts. Petroleum are onshores and offshores is produced. Natural gas. It is usually accompanies the petroleum accumulated. அப்படின்றது என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா பெட்ரோலியம் எங்கே இருக்கோ அந்த இடத்துல வந்து இந்த நேச்சுரல் கேஸ் வந்து அக்குமுலேஷன் ஆகிருக்கும். Hydrocarbon gas, this is mixture primarily of methane. Plants and animals decomposed pressure, heat, thousands of years க்கு முன்னாடி அது பண்ணுது. Next 1985 combo is first gas exploitation. Uses cooking, heating, electricity, vessels, chemicals. Places is Gujarat, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Rajasthan, Punjab, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal. Next conventional energy. Conventional energy means electricity, அதாவது electric convert பண்ணுறது எல்லாமே conventional energy. The first one is thermal power. Thermal power is NTPC was established 1975. The coal thermal power based energy power station, 13 coal based thermal power, 7 gas based thermal power. Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Mizoram, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu in Neyveli, Mettur, Thoothukudi, Ennur are very important places in thermal power station. Second conventional energy source example, nuclear power. Nuclear power generated, uranium and thorium is mainly composition this nuclear power. First power station, Tarapur, set up in 1969. Tarapur in Mumbai. Next, South India, Tamil Nadu, Kalpakkam gives nuclear power 440 megawatt. Next one is Tamil Nadu, Kudangulam, 2000 megawatt nuclear power gives. Next Rajasthan is 100 megawatt only. Narora in Uttar Pradesh, this is 235 megawatt. Also Kaiga in Karnataka and Gujarat, these three states gives 235 megawatt this nuclear power. Next one is conventional energy source. Third example, hydropower. Hydropower means generated from water is termed as hydroelectricity. It is used running water. One of the most economic and non-pollution source of this energy. 7% of global electricity productions this energy, hydropower. Fourth one is solar power. This solar power conversion, sunlight into electricity. Use concentrated solar power system used lens or mirrors and tracing systems to focus a large area of sunlight, a small beam. Next, solar uses water heater, refrigerator, street light, cooking, pumping works, power generator, etc. Solar power station in located states Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Fifth one is wind energy. Wind energy first set up 1986. Wind energy conversion, air flow using with turbines. Using with turbines means ஒரு பெரிய அந்த ஃபேன் மாதிரி இருக்கும் இல்லையா அது. அட்வான்டேஜஸ், சீப் பொல்யூஷன், இதில் வந்து பொல்யூஷன் கிடையாது, அண்ட் ஃப்ரீ சோர்ஸ் ஆஃப் energy. This is plentiful, renewable, widely distributed, less place occupied, using pumping water and sail proper ships. Next one, states coastal areas. Mostly wind energy set up coastal areas, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Sixth one, biomass energy. Biodegradable materials like animal dung, kitchen wastage, water hygiene. Next, agriculture residues and city waste. This is decomposed, gives biomass. It clean and cheap resource. 32% primary energy used in domestic purpose. Seventh one is tidal and wave energy. Two main source is useful tidal and wave energy. One is ocean tides, second one ocean waves. This position established in India 8000 to 9000 megawatt tidal energy. The first situated Gulf of Cambay, best area in India. Gulf of Kutch 1000 megawatt and Sundarbans 100 megawatt. Presently 900 megawatt tidal power plant set up Gulf of Kutch region. 150 kilowatt has been installed at Virinjiyam, Thiruvananthapuram and Andaman Nicobar Island. Raw material converted into finished product with use of machines. This is industry. The sector is called value addition sector. Classification of industries: agro-based industries, forest-based industries. Third one is mineral-based industries. Agro-based industries example: cotton, jute, silk, sugar. Forest-based industries: paper industries. Mineral-based industries: iron and steel and automobile. Agro-based industries definition: raw materials used from agriculture products. Raw materials are used from agriculture products, these industries. Cotton textile industries. Cotton textile industries, cotton, jute, wool, silk, synthetic fibers is also cotton textile industries used raw materials. Mills, 3400 numbers cotton mills in our India. Its capacity 50 million spindles. Spindles means rotated machine. Next, traditional handlooms, employment to mills to rural and semi-urban. Traditional handlooms is manufactured in cotton industries. Employments, many employments in rural and semi-urban. This cotton textile contribution 7% of industrial output. Cotton textile manufacture many cotton products to 7% industrial output. 2% of India's GDP and 15% of country export earning. Countries export earning 15%. Higher concentration. Higher concentration means cotton textile industries concentration this area. Manchester of India's presence. Black cotton soil in Maharashtra, humidity, climate, presence of Mumbai port. Manchester means nothing but many cotton industrials are situated in area, and then cotton growing, cultivate field and soil, transport, humidity, climate are also together in the place that is Manchester. South Indian Manchester is Coimbatore. Indian Manchester is Mumbai. States: Maharashtra, Gujarat, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu in states. Major cotton textiles in particular in Tamil Nadu: Erode, Tirupur, Karur, Chennai, Tirunelveli, Madurai, Thoothukudi, Salem and Virudhunagar. Next example: jute textiles. Jute is long types of grass. This is low priced fiber. Making gunny bags, making package material. Today, jute is blended with cotton and wool product textiles. India's largest producer of jute goods, 35% of world total output. This advantages natural, then renewable, biodegradable and eco-friendly products. This is very important. Natural, renewable, biodegradable and eco-friendly products. Next one is the first jute mill in India. Where? Kolkata in 1854 by the Englishman George Alcan. George Alcan, Englishman, set up 1854 Kolkata in first jute mill. India top in the productions of raw jute and jute goods. Second export of goods in Bangladesh. Second export Bangladesh jute products வந்து பண்றாங்க. Next, jute productions. Jute productions byproduct, that is byproduct, kanni bags, canvas, pack sheets, jute web, carpet, cordage, essence and twines. This is the byproduct jute industries. This question is 2 mark question, very important questions. Note this. This states Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. This is jute industries in our states. Next one is silk industries. Do you know silk material? Yes. The production of silk since the ancient time production, this silk. India is the second largest producer of raw silks, next only to China. Karnataka is largest producer of silk materials. This amount is 8,200 metric tons per year. Per year, Karnataka produce silk materials 8,200 metric tons. Please imagine. States Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Assam and Tamil Nadu. These states silk industry is very famous. Agrobase industries, last example, sugar industries. Sugar can be produced from sugar cane, sugar beets or any which have sugar content. This is raw material of sugar industries. This is the world second producer of sugar cane after Brazil. Brazil அப்புறம் நம்ம இந்தியா வந்து sugar cane industryல second. Employment is 2.86 lakhs workers in employed with sugar industries located near the sugar growing areas, as they are weight losing and bulky to transport. Largest producer in India, Uttar Pradesh, percentage of 50% sugar produced this state. States names Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Punjab, Gujarat, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh. Next types of industries. Second one is forest based industries. Forests provide many different types of materials, gives in raw material for industries like paper, lac, sports good, plywood, etc. Paper industries, numerous types of paper industries. Sheet paper, paper box, tissues, paper bags, stationery, envelopes and printed papers. These paper industries raw materials are softwood, wood pulp. Next one is bamboo, solai and sabai grasses, waste paper and bagasse. Bagasse is sugarcane waste product. Next, West Bengal is the largest producer of paper. The paper industries situated in the states Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Tamil Nadu. Next types of industries, mineral based industries. Mineral based industries used both metallic or non-metallic minerals or raw materials. Mineral based industries வந்து metallic, non-metallic ரெண்டுமே யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். First one is iron and steel industries. Iron and steel industries called the basic metacular industries. This reason raw material by host of other industries. Raw materials by host of other industries. 1907 with the establishment of Tata Iron and Steel Company at Skachi, now called Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur in Kachi. This company first established 1907. This is used example engineering, heavy machines and machine tools, then automobile, locomotives and railway equipments industries use iron and steel as their primary raw materials. This industry situated in the states, India is mainly concentration in the states of very important place Jharkhand. Already we are studying Jharkhand and Orissa is the iron and industrial ore, many places deposit these areas. So Jharkhand and West Bengal and Odisha proximity to coal fields near coal fields la ellame idu irukum. Next வந்து Raniganj, Bokaro and Karnapura. So these places are iron and steel industries. Required for industries, this area has sufficient deposits of limestone, dolomite, manganese and silicon which are the required for the industries. Next, electrical and electronic industries. Heavy electrical industries manufacture equipment used for power generation, transmission and utilization. It has the plants and Harwar, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Jammu, Bangalore, Jhansi and Tiruchirappalli. Range of products, electrical and electricity range of products, television sets, transistor set, telephone, cellular telegrams, computer, etc. Other economic goods centers, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Kanpur, Pune, Lucknow, Jaipur and Coimbatore. Next one is very important, home to some of the finished software companies in the world. India are reputed crosses the global for their efficient IT and business related solutions. Software industries is began in 1970. This name is Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. At present, there are more than 500 software companies all over India. It exports software service to nearly 95 countries in the world. Example, L&T, Infotech, iFlex, Accenture, Cognizant, etc. This is the main centers of IT parks are located in Chennai, Coimbatore, Thiruvananthapuram, Bangalore, Mysore, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Pune, Indore, Gandhinagar, Jaipur, Noida, Mohali and Srinagar. This is software industries in these states. Okay student, this lesson is very important, lively in our life. Thank you. We will meet next class.